Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. This afternoon we're going to be taking a look at our 2007 26-foot Edgewater trade. We'll take a look at the outside, we'll go inside, take a look at the options. This boat has twin 250 Yamaha outboards, 2007. I pulled up the hours last week. I believe they're just over 350. Boat does have trim tabs, has been bottom painted. Take a look at the hull. Boat does have a windlass, T-top. Let's go inside the boat and take a look. As we enter the boat, you can see it does have a walk-through transom door, an aft seat that folds down for fishing. The backrest comes out. There's rod holders there. Boat has two small boxes, one on either side. This one with a sink. The other one just for storage. Boat does have spot for a cooler under the helm seat, 4-rod rocket launcher on the back, 6-rod rocket launcher across the top. There's an aft light, speakers in the hard top, there's 4 of them. This boat does have 12-inch Garmin ICOM VHF, Yamaha fuel management, stereo, Lenco trim tabs, does have a parallel switch. As I said, this boat does have a windlass. It's the windshield. There's storage on the side, on both sides. There are fish boxes on the floor, one on either side. Storage in the back. Forward seating with a table. Seating in front of the helm that collapses. There's your windlass. Look at the heads. There are the cushions for up forward. It is a marine head. There's the head unit for the stereo, the battery switches. Tons of storage, very well done. Storage on the door. Very well thought out boat. Does have life jacket storage. You can see there is some peeling on the metal on the T-top. We are aware of this. Overall, big 26-foot boat. Storage under the seats forward. More speakers. Total of 8 speakers on board. This is our 2007 26-foot Edgewater. Thank you.